Welcome back everybody. Today we're going to learn about farm animals and what products they give us. Welkom terug maatjies. Vandag gaan ons leer wat se produkte plaasdiere ons gee. Did you know that farm animals are actually very important to us? Now you're going to learn why. Het julle geweet dat plaasdiere vir ons so baie beteken? Ons kry baie produkte van plaasdiere. Watch carefully and at the end I'm going to ask a few questions. Maats, luister nou baie mooi en kyk mooi na die prentjies. Ek gaan 'n paar vrae vra aan die einde. Here is a cow. A cow gives us milk. Cheese are made from milk. Did you know there are many other products made from milk? Products such as cheese, ice cream, butter, cream, and yogurt. It is called dairy products. A cow gives us leather. 'n Koei gee vir ons leer. They make handbags and shoes from leather. The leather comes from the cow's skin. Maats, leer kom van 'n vel van 'n koei. Cows give us meat. 'n Koei gee vir ons vleis. A cow's meat is called beef and we get beef steak, we get mince and boerewors. Here is a chicken. Hier is 'n hoender. A chicken gives us meat and that we call chicken meat. 'n Hoender gee vleis en ons noem dit hoendervleis. We also get eggs from a chicken. Hoenders gee ook vir ons eiers. Here is a pig. Hier is 'n vark. Pigs give us meat which is called pork. Ja, 'n varkie gee vir ons varkvleis. Did you know they use the hair of a pig to make paintbrushes and toothbrushes? Het julle geweet hulle gebruik die hare van 'n vark om 'n kwas en 'n tandeborsel te maak? Here is a sheep. Hier is 'n skaap. Sheep give us meat which we call mutton or lamb. 'n Skaap gee vir ons vleis. Ons noem dit skaapvleis. Sheep also give us wool to knit jerseys and blankets. Socks and gloves are also made from wool. Ons kry wol van 'n skaap. Druie, komberse, kouse, handskoene en selfs serpe word gebrei van wol. Wool keeps us warm in the winter. Wol hou ons warm in die winter. Maats, ek hoop julle het baie geleer en dat julle mooi geluister het. Well done everybody. I hope you listened carefully because we're going to answer some questions now. Which animal gives us leather? Watter dier gee vir ons leer? Yes, leather comes from a cow. Maats, leer kom van 'n koei. Which animal gives us eggs? Watter dier gee vir ons eiers? Yes, eggs come from a chicken. 'n Hoender gee vir ons eiers. Which animal gives us pork? Watter dier gee vir ons varkchops? Yes, we get pork from a pig. Ja, dit kom van 'n vark. Which animal gives us wool? Watter dier gee vir ons wol? Sheep give us wool. Ja, wol kom van 'n skaap. Which animal gives us milk? Watter dier gee vir ons melk? Milk comes from a cow. 'n Koei is die regte antwoord. Which animal gives us chicken meat? Watter dier gee vir ons hoendervleis? This comes from a chicken. Ja, 'n hoender. Which animal gives us the hair on a paintbrush? Watter dier gee vir ons die hare van 'n kwas? Yes, it comes from a pig. Ja, 'n vark. Now let us see what we've learned today. Kom ons kyk wat het ons geleer vandag. A cow gives us milk, meat, which we call beef, and leather. 'n Koei gee melk, vleis en leer. A pig gives us meat, which we call pork, and they can make paintbrushes with the hair. 'n Vark gee vleis en die hare van 'n kwas. Sheep give us wool and meat, which we call mutton or lamb. 'n Skaap gee vir ons wol en vleis. A chicken gives us eggs and meat. 'n Hoender gee vir ons eiers en vleis. Well done, everybody. You did a great job. I hope you've learned a lot today. Maats, ek is so trots op julle. Ek hoop julle het baie goed geleer vandag. Next time we will learn about something else. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye.